Hi, I'm Chef Lopez and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a very special recipe of mine. We're going to be making calamares rellenos, which means stuffed squid. This is a Spanish dish that my grandma used to make for me when I was young. It's one of my all-time favorites. Every time I go to Spain, my grandma asks me, oh, what would you like us to cook for you? This would be it. Every single time without fail, I would always ask for this to be made for me. It's so simple to make, but the flavors are just out of this world. I'm going to teach you step by step how to make this dish. Very simple and easy. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make a veg stock. We're going to bring it to the boil and leave it to the side to add to the rest of the dish later. We're going to use very simple ingredients. Some bay leaf from our garden. We got some tomatoes, 5 medium size. Got half a garlic, 2 onions medium size or 1 large white Spanish onion. Got 1 egg, 500 grams of minced beef. Very important to note, normally I would use half minced beef and half pork mince. But at the moment we're unable to get the pork mince due to the coronavirus. Here I have just a quick mix of normal plain flour, cracked pepper and salt. I have my spices over here, which is sweet smoked paprika. You got cracked pepper, thyme, salt and saffron. And for the most important ingredient of all for this dish is my squid tubes. Take one of these squid tubes, Gonna slice it down and we're just gonna cut it into little cubes. So just little cubes like this. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna crack 1 egg into the bowl. We're gonna add the squid that we chopped up earlier on. So we're just gonna add that in. We're gonna add the cracked pepper and thyme, salt, and we're gonna give it a little mix. Alright, that looks like it's all mixed in properly now. Okay, so now we're just literally gonna get a spoon and we're gonna fill in the squid. So now we have our squid stuff. We're just gonna close them up. So I'm gonna use these little skewers in one way and out the other. So you're gonna have this closed up like that. If it comes like that, don't worry too much about it. There's nothing much we can do about it. Just make sure you don't stuff the squid too much. Otherwise you won't be able to close it up. So you're just gonna put these in flour on each side. Make sure it's coated all the way around. Using a very hot pan, we're just going to add this squid one at a time. Going to keep turning it over till it's nice and golden on each side. Once ready, we're going to take out the pan. We're going to use the flour that's stuck to the pan, add the onions, cook it down till it's nice and translucent. Add your bay leaves, tomatoes. Give it a mix till it's cooked down, till the tomatoes are broken down. Add the remainder spices. Add white wine if you like, you don't have to add it. Then we're going to return our squid back to the pan. Add our veg stock, or fish stock's even better. Once we're at this stage, we're just going to remove the squid. We're going to reduce the sauce for further 15 minutes or till you're happy with it. So now that we're at this stage, we've reduced down, we're just going to bring back the squid. Baste the squid with the sauce to make it nice and warm and juicy. We're going to take the skewers out. I like it sliced in half, but you can slice it into smaller pieces if you like. Hi, I'm Chef Lopez and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you see this far, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also like, share, comment, and follow me on Instagram at chef.locus. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.